Today I'm going to change my background for my online classroom using just cloth, paper, and poster tape. And I'm going to show you right after this. How's it going? I'm Erin from Erin Edutainment, and today I'm going to show you a new background that I want to create. I have found some inspiration online. This is what I really wanted to recreate with a little bit of some different colors. When I think about what to do to create a background for my classroom, for my online classroom, I don't necessarily think of ways to make it look academic or educational. I focus more on how is it going to look on camera when a student or a parent is looking in on my classroom. That is my focus. I am tired of this plain gray and white striped. If you can actually see it, it's starting to sag a little bit. It's starting to drag, and I'm going to just show you what I do and how I do it. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this background. It is just connected with some tacks, and I'm going to take it down right now. Okay, my background is down. As you can see on one side of my background, I have a metal sheet that I got at Lowe's, I believe. I will put some information in the description box as to where I got it and how much it cost and the dimensions. My husband literally just drilled this into the wall. You will see the reflection of the fabric that I had over here because it's still hanging on the other side of the wall. I'm kind of in the middle, I'm in the corner of a room right now. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hang my fabric. Now, this costs $5 at Walmart. I believe it is 2 yards. It should fit anybody's size for their classroom, for their camera. You could even go cheaper and do like $1 plastic tablecloth, but with my lights that I have, it can get pretty glary, so I make sure that I have a cloth or something with a matted finish that does not have a shine. So let me put this one up now. Okay, my background is up. It's a little wrinkly, but that's okay. I'm not going to be showing a lot of the white. It's really just to kind of be that small little gap in between all of the triangles that I'm going to make. This is what I'm going to create. I went ahead and cut out all of these shapes. I'm going to put these on my background with this poster tape. I already made a line just to kind of create my first row to make sure it's even. After I do my first row, I'm just gonna eyeball it after that. I hope it works. Here I go. Okay, the first row is done. I took the tape off of it so that I can start doing above and below it. From now on, I'm just gonna eyeball it and wing it. Here I go. And there you have it. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. I love all the colors. I love it. It's so cool. I do have a, remember at the beginning of the video I said I do have metal on my background. I probably will not be using a lot of magnets on this, just because it's just construction paper. I didn't put anything special on it. So probably what I will do is I will get like a whiteboard, and this is a magnet. This is a magnet, and probably what I will do is just put a magnet or a dry erase board on here so I can use for stars or props or whatever else. But there was my tutorial. I hope you love it. Maybe there will be some of you guys that will go out and try it. I'm gonna put all of the supplies in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you do something that makes you happy today. Goodbye.